Hello friends, this is class 6th and the subject is English. Today we are going to do lecture number 2 from A Pact with the Sun book. This is lesson 6, The Monkey and the Crocodile. This is going to be our lecture number 2. Points to be covered in today's class. First of all, introduction will be given, the new words will be done, thereafter discussion of previous homework will be done, and at last homework will be assigned. Introduction. This story gives a message that we should not trust anyone blindly. We must think before taking any decision. This message has been conveyed through a friendship drama between a monkey and a crocodile. Now, we shall begin with the summary. This is a story of friendship between a monkey and a crocodile. A monkey lived alone in a fruit-laden tree on a river bank. Laden means full of. A monkey used to live alone in a fruit tree or in a tree which was full of fruits on a river bank. He was very happy but used to feel lonely. There he was living his life happily, but he was all alone, as there was no one to talk to or to share the fruits with. He wanted to have someone to talk to. One day, a crocodile came near that tree and the monkey offered him fruits to eat. The crocodile found it delicious and started coming daily. Means the crocodile found those fruits tasty, as the monkey used to give those fruits for the crocodile as well as for his wife. Then the crocodile started coming daily to the monkey to have some fruits. Soon they became very good friends. They means monkey and the crocodile. They both liked each other's company, means they used to talk with each other and they used to spend time with each other. They discussed everything around them, like birds, animals, villagers and their problems. Their closeness grew day by day, means they used to talk about birds, animals and the problems faced by the villagers in growing their crops. They became the best friends. The crocodile did not just eat the fruits himself but also carried some fruits for his wife. But his wife didn't like his friendship with the monkey. She expressed a wish to eat the monkey's heart. The crocodile's wife did not like the friendship with the monkey. Why? Because one day the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual, and the crocodile's wife got irritated managing the little crocodiles which had just been hatched. So she expressed a wish to eat the monkey's heart, because she thought the monkey who used to send such sweet fruits, his heart would be the sweetest one. To keep his wife's words, he invited his friend monkey to have dinner with him. While taking the monkey to his home, he told him the truth about his wife's wish. The crocodile told his intention to the monkey in midstream, where the current was the highest, and the monkey, he was afraid of that wish. Hearing that, the monkey asked the crocodile to return back to the river, as he had forgotten his heart on the tree. As we know, monkeys are clever. The same was here. Monkey is clever, and what did he do? He said that he had forgotten his heart on the tree, and he asked the crocodile to take a big turn to the river so that he could get the heart from the tree, and he could give that heart to his wife. The crocodile swam back and reached the river bank. Monkey quickly jumped onto the tree and threw some fruits to the crocodile and bid goodbye to the crocodile. As soon as the crocodile reached to the bank of the river, Monkey quickly jumped onto the tree and he threw one or two fruits to the crocodile and asked him to give the same fruits to his wife, because he did not want to go there, as crocodile's wife wanted his heart. And at last he said bid goodbye. He said goodbye to the crocodile because the monkey didn't want to be a friend of crocodile. Now we shall begin with the new words. I request you all to take out your register, make format, write the name of the lesson in the middle, and then write the name of the book as well. At left hand side write date, and at right hand side make correction work column. Number 1. Hatched. This means process of emergence of young baby from an egg. Number 2. Pester means to irritate someone by asking something repeatedly. Number 3. Companion means friend. 4. Laden means full of. 5. Delicious means tasty. 6. Dilemma means to be or not to be situation where one has to make a difficult choice. Now we shall begin with the question answers. Question number 1. The monkey was happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not complete. What did he miss? Its answer: he missed a companion. He wanted to have someone to talk to. And here we can add, he also wanted to have someone to share the fruits with. What did the two friends generally talk about? They talked about birds and animals, villagers and their challenges. Question number 3. Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed with her husband one day? Its answer: she was annoyed because he got late and she had to manage the little ones all alone. She wanted to know who was so dear to him. Why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? Its answer: he was unwilling because he knew that his wife would eat the monkey and he didn't want to cheat him. Question number 5. What did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream? Its answer: the crocodile told his intention of taking him home midstream. He told that his wife wanted to eat his heart. How did the monkey save himself? The monkey saved himself very cleverly in a wise manner. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently and carefully. Now it's time to assign you homework. Question 1. The monkey was happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not complete. What did he miss? You are requested to write these answers in your rough notebook. Question number 2. What did the two friends generally talk about? 3. Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed with her husband one day? 4. Why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? 5. What did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream? 6. How did the monkey save himself? Students, this is it for today's class. Thanks for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much.